Welcome guys, my name is Monty Thomas and today we're going to be learning how to make focus icons. Focus icons are basically icons that are on the focus trees. In the focus tree, let me show you. Basically just icons, and we're going to be making them today, and I'm going to be using this from my friend. We're working on a mod together, and we're going to be using focus backgrounds and focus icons. We're going to be making something for, let's say, what's this? Let's just get this. And I have a whole, I'll put a link in the description for this thing, so you guys can use this to make icons. So I'm gonna save this to my folder, and you're gonna open your photo editing software. I'm using GIMP. You can use Photoshop. As you may have noticed, I actually have Photoshop. I'm not really used to it. Probably in later tutorials I'll use it. So we're gonna be opening our green focus shield. Let's open that. So we got our background. Now we're gonna get some sort of, let's just make this like some sort of taxes. So let's just say we get this. We're gonna cut out the balance. So let me do this. I'll skip to when I'm finished. Okay, so we have cut our image. We have cut it out. We're gonna paste it in here. So it may not look perfect because I didn't do it. I rushed this for the sake of the video, but we have these marks left over from our previous image. So we're gonna you have to be highlighted on the image, like I am, and you have to get your eraser tool and erase out these parts and this as well. Next, we're gonna put another icon. So there, actually, let me get out. That's good. There's our balance. Doesn't look that bad. So we're going to open the let's just open. There's a money one I have, not this one. There's like, damn it. Fuck. No, no, no. Fuck, where is it? Damn it, I don't know where it is. It's something with fucking money. Here we go. Money, arrow green. Let's just copy this in. Oopsie. Copy this. Sometimes happens. My keyboard's a little crappy. We're gonna make this smaller, and this should be good. So here's our icon. It doesn't look that bad. Let me move this up a little. This is like maybe a balance out money or something. You could work and put like maybe each stack of money on the balance, but this looks fine. So we're gonna try to make another one. So let's make another one. So here, let's just So if you want to make like a background for flag, just get your flag you want. I'll use this one. Be using this one. So we're gonna in the in the thing that I'm gonna put in the link in the description, there's going to be something called flag overlay um in the GitHub thing I put. It's gonna be under focus icons, I believe. So we got this is what the game uses to overlay the flag. So we're gonna close out the overlay, and we're going to get the background we want, which should be GFX8. Yes, this one. So we're gonna make this a little wider, basically as wide as this, like a little longer. So 80 bigger than. Let's put 90. Put it to here, and we're gonna copy and paste our thing. Maybe a little smaller. Let's put 86. 86. This should be better. And damn it, still a little too big. We'll put it at 80. We'll put it at 95. This should be fine. Hopefully. Here, this is fine. So you're going to get your lasso. Gonna cut out area that you want to be in there. So if you have a flag, you'd follow those steps and you'd paste your background in here, and you'd get the flag out of there. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna copy and paste that. Looks fine. There's a couple. Make it if it see like mine. Some parts you can see the checkers. Make it a little bigger, and that looks fine. Maybe move it actually a little. That looks fine. So that's our flag. Now we're going to open icon. Let's just say maybe this is actually. Let's just maybe like this. Maybe this could be like some sort of home guard, maybe. There you go. If it's too big, just make it smaller. Make it smaller. And there we go. Now we're going to, yeah, that's it. Hopefully this tutorial will help you get some sort of idea how to make focus icons, and hopefully you can make some in the future, and I'll show you some that I made. So let me open this folder. Here, here's some for Italy, for our mod. Just work on it. There we go. Here's some that I made here. There's actually a good amount of them here. Probably the best one. This one's pretty crappy. Some of them are pretty crappy because these are like some of the first ones I made. This one's pretty good. This one's crap. But some of these are good. Like this one's good. This one. This one. This one's pretty good as well. That one. That one. This one's okay. The thing is a little blurry. This is crap. This is okay. Okay and okay. And Here is the other one. Just here. Here are some that I made for the focus for France. And generic ones, which is mobile artillery and restricted guns. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more, and tell me what you think of this channel. Goodbye.